Glucose 6-phosphate dehydrogenase, or G6PD, is an important enzyme in our bodies. Enzymes are like tiny workers that help our cells function properly. G6PD is found in our red blood cells, which carry oxygen throughout our body. It protects these cells from damage. G6PD helps red blood cells work correctly. It does this by producing a substance that protects them from harmful substances. Without enough G6PD, red blood cells can be damaged. When red blood cells are damaged, it can lead to a condition called hemolytic anemia. Hemolytic anemia means that red blood cells are destroyed faster than the body can replace them. This can cause fatigue, shortness of breath, and pale skin. Understanding the role of G6PD is crucial for comprehending the impact of G6PD deficiency. In the next section, we will delve into the causes of this genetic disorder. G6PD deficiency is a genetic condition, which means it is passed down from parents to their children through genes. Genes are like blueprints that determine our traits. In G6PD deficiency, there is a change or mutation in the gene that makes G6PD. This mutation leads to a shortage or malfunctioning of the G6PD enzyme in red blood cells. As a result, these cells become more vulnerable to damage. G6PD deficiency is more common in certain populations, particularly those of African, Mediterranean, and Asian descent. The inheritance pattern of G6PD deficiency is X-linked recessive. This means that the gene for G6PD is located on the X chromosome, one of the two sex chromosomes. Males have one X and one Y chromosome, while females have two X chromosomes. Because males have only one X chromosome, inheriting a mutated gene from their mother is sufficient to cause G6PD deficiency. Females, on the other hand, need to inherit the mutated gene from both parents to develop the condition. Many people with G6PD deficiency do not experience any symptoms. However, some individuals may develop symptoms when exposed to certain triggers. These triggers can include certain foods, medications, infections, or stress. One of the most common symptoms of G6PD deficiency is jaundice, which is a yellowing of the skin and eyes. Jaundice occurs due to the breakdown of red blood cells, leading to the accumulation of bilirubin, a yellow pigment. Other symptoms can include fatigue, shortness of breath, rapid heartbeat, pale skin, and dark urine. Certain foods can trigger symptoms in people with G6PD deficiency. These include fava beans, also known as broad beans, which contain substances that can damage red blood cells. Medications such as antimalarials, antibiotics, and aspirin can also trigger symptoms. It's important to note that not everyone with G6PD deficiency will react to all triggers. The severity of symptoms can also vary widely. Diagnosing G6PD deficiency involves a simple blood test that measures the level of G6PD enzyme in red blood cells. This test is usually done when someone experiences symptoms suggestive of the condition or has a family history of G6PD deficiency. Treatment for G6PD deficiency primarily focuses on avoiding triggers that can lead to symptoms. This includes being mindful of dietary choices and informing healthcare providers about the condition before taking any new medications. In some cases, individuals with G6PD deficiency may require treatment for complications such as hemolytic anemia. This may involve blood transfusions to replenish red blood cells or medications to stimulate red blood cell production. Living with G6PD deficiency requires awareness and proactive management. By understanding the condition and taking necessary precautions, individuals with G6PD deficiency can live healthy lives.